Hi, my big sister. How you doing? I need to ask you a favor, alright? What you want now, Shauna? Every time you come round me, it's to beg me something. So I have to make it sound away, sir. My sister, I love you. What you want? I need a morning after pill, okay? Oh, whoa. So that little princess is taking man now. Oh, please, Cheyenne, don't start with me. You never had dash your belly way in a high school. Me is not the same thing. Well, clearly, we is. Because why do you need a morning after pill if you're not raw dogging? Because unlike you, I'm not trying to get pregnant. So stop your eyes and just give me the pill. You have to pay for it, Shana. I can't keep spending money on you.
Oh, hey Melissa, is Cheyenne there?
Oh look, your stepson slash baby father